1,000? Seriously? What the hell? Crazy boy. Oh, tangina, you. The guy with no helmet, I think he's the one who drives a bit like a dick, to be honest. Couple of white together, stay together. Hindi ko alam. If you're not in the middle, my friend. Good, good. Was he in no seat? Oh no. Don't speak English. Huh?
No left turn po tayo.
No left?
No.
I'm sorry. Putangina. Oh, come on! Crazy boy! Sorry? I'm going there. I was confused, she's so beautiful, that's why. Have a good day.
Hi, thanks, sir.
Bullshit. It's all about the way you're filtering, you know, all about trying different way and filtering like that. Those guys know what they're doing, you can tell. I don't know. Get up. It's nice, no? It's just, this is already there. Let me go out of this and I pick you up. Fuck. Fuck you, it's not funny. Huh? Which one? Ah, look, fuck. There's a fucking nails in there. Putangina. Crazy people. Fucking people are sick now.
Many thoughts on my mind, I can't sleep at night, so I just keep writing. I don't need no help, I don't need opinions, so don't waste my time then. I just been living online, my city don't show me no love and that's fine. Fuck local radio stations, I got more plays than all of these rappers combined. I'm going again, I've been going in, I'm fed up with so many things, I gotta just let it all out. I'm talking about the shit they've been talking about, telling me I should do this, telling me I should do that, telling me things about rap, talking the truth and that stab in my back that will knock me off track. No, too many things have been building, been hard to deal with, I just been drinking. Remember my